Habang tayo-tayo lang nandito. Ano yung team song nyo sa mga panahon na to? Ash Butterfly, hello! Ano yung, ready mo na yung Molto Sure anyways. Naka-ready na. Ems. Sweetheart, ano yung team song nyo? Oh. Wow, thank you! Thank you so much. Wow, maraming salamat po. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay naman, di ba siya nasa abroad? Christina, nasan ka? Saan na country ka? Thank you, thank you. Nakakatuwa yung mga ganyan. Yung iba din sa FAMCON na nandun sa baba or nakakasama ko dito sa stream. Sinasabi nila libangan nila ako pero di ko alam kung anong nakakalibang sa akin. Wala si Sweetheart. Che, ikaw may request ka, Che. Habang tayo lang, oh. Ay, Che A! Che A, bilis mo, ah. Saudi Arabia. Working as a nurse in a... Wow, Christina, mag-ingat ka palagi dyan and I hope to meet you soon. Wait lang, Ian. Sige lang, Sweetheart. Tabay ka lang sa stream ko, Christina. Thank you. Che A! Huwag mo nang i-share yung stream natin. Good evening, yes. Good evening po. Good evening, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon. Lucille. Hello, Lucille. Sir A, anong request mo? Hi, Superman Jigs. Magandang gabi rin. Khalifa. Kaya mo ito, nothing's gonna change. Wow, yan ang kanta mo sa kanya, sweetheart. Yellow. Coldplay to hindi dilaw na Tagalog Upside down. Upside down. Dark shadow. Nahanap ko yung yellow na piyesa natin, sir. Parang bumabagal dun no? I mean, parang piano version. Ay! Paano nalaman yan? Pumasok pa. Pero at least late pa rin na Char A. Late siya, mga 15 minutes. 20 minutes. Always late, Ix. Naka one song na. In-off ko kasi. Pwede kasing i-off ko yung mga notif dito sa mga username ng mga gusto ko. Hindi ko sure kung ito yung sure ito. Kundi man siya, nakita ko yung kundi man request mo. Sige. Jerome.
Look at the stars, look how they shine for you, and everything you do. And they were all yellow. I came along, I wrote a song for you, and all the things that you do. It was called yellow.
Ate Eden.
So then I took my turn. Oh, what a thing you've done. And it was all yellow.
Jordan. Happy feet.
Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones tell there's something beautiful. Do you know? You know I love you so. You know I love you so.
Don't call me, baby.
I swam across, I jumped across for you. Oh, what a thing to do. 'Cause we're all yellow. I drew a line, I drew a line for things to do.
Thank you. Wow, thank you so much.
Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones tell there's something beautiful. Do you know? For you I bleed myself dry. For you I bleed myself dry.
Thank you so much, wow. Miss Nick Leopard. Sinong nagulat? Nakakagulat. Kala ko nasisira yung sound card. Thank you so much, wow. Maraming salamat.
Look how they shine for you. Look at the stars. Look how they shine for you. And all the things that you do.
Wow, maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Yes, Kicks. Brother Ral, hello, Sashi. Maraming salamat. Pasensya na sa version ko. Masyadong maganda. Um, ah, Truth. Blessed Channel. Yes. Di ba, Ryle? Sobrang ganda nun. Ito ba yun? Yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Margie. Butch. Hindi ko to kakantayin pag wala ka, Butch. Cakes, andyan ba si Butch? Face me. Try natin to. Try lang itong version na to. Tabis.
If I had to live my life without you near me, the days would all be empty. The nights would seem so long. With you I see forever oh so clearly. I might have been in love before, but it never felt this wrong. Our dreams are young and we both know they'll take us where we wanna go. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't wanna live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The world may change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love for you. If the road ahead is not so easy, love will lead the way for us, like a guiding star. I'll be there for you if you should need me. You don't have to change a thing. I love you just the way you are. So come with me and share the view. I'll help you see forever too. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't wanna live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more.
Wow, thank you.
Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. The world may change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change my love.
Wow, maraming salamat. Grabe ka. Isang palakpakan para kay Wow. Butch, kinanta ko na. So, kung nanonood man kayong dalawa dyan at magkasama kayo, masaya ako para sa inyong dalawa. We celebrate that feeling. Nandito ako nakasupport sa inyo. Sana all. Ayun. Wow, maraming salamat. Sana tayo sa Kundiman. Hello po, welcome sa lahat ng humabol sa stream ko. Maraming salamat. Napaiyak tuloy ako. Aww. Ba't naman iiyak? Yan yung sabi nga nila, kasagsagan. Kasagsagan ng nararamdaman. Kicks, kailangan na. Nakarami na rin ako ng kwento kanina. So, I hope palagi lang kayo masaya ni Butch. Andito kami nakasupport sa inyo, okay? Jenny, yes, Jenny. Butchie. Butchie Kick. Ang buong pangalan ay Butchie Kick. Gusto niyo yun? Oh, anong masama? 2 years gap. Anong masama dyan? Kicks, bawal na. Mga late na eh. Chetifa, press 1. Hello po sa lahat ng bagong pasok. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Okay ba quality mo? Akkel. Hanapin natin siya. Diana Abby. Andrea. Diana Abby, hello. Oo nga eh. Welcome back, self. Meron tayong inaanap. Walang pinagbago ang muka. Sure ka ba dyan? Parang magpuya. Bakit magpuya na lang tayo ngayon? Bakit naman magkuya naman tayo ngayon? Nahanap ko yung magandang version eh ng ano. Wait lang chat. Hindi, si ano yun, no? Si Sweetheart. Sana maabot natin ang kundina. Kaya nga, magkuyan na kami ngayon.
Para kang asukal, sinta mismong magmahal. Para kang pintura, buhay ko ikaw ang nagpinta. Para kang unang pinapainit mo ang aking tiyan. Para kang kumot na yumayakap sa tuwing ako'y nalulungkot. Kaya't huwag magtataka kung bakit ayaw kitang mawala. Kung hindi man tayo hanggang dulo, huwag mong kalimutan. Nandito lang ako, laging umaalala. Hindi ako lalayo, dahil ang tanging panalangin ko ay ikaw.
Ana, thank you. Andrea, thank you. Taas. Ang taas.
Di bale maghapon pang umulan, basta't ikaw ang sasandalan. Liwanag na lumulubog na araw, kay sarap pagmasdan. Lalo na kapag nasisinagan ang iyong mukha. Ayoko nang magsawa, hindi magsasawa sa'yo.
Ana, thank you. Ako naman.
Kung hindi man tayo hanggang dulo, huwag mong kalimutan. Nandito lang ako, laging umaalala. Hindi ako lalayo, dahil ang tanging panalangin ko.
Sure, thank you. Aina, thank you. Aces fan, maraming salamat po.
Ayoko munang magsalita, hayaan na muna natin ang daloy ng tadhana.
Ayun. Ubus. Thank you, Andrea. Salamat. Ano yung mga won-won na lumalabas sa taas? Ah, laro. Okay. Yeah, feeling ko rin. $4,400. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening po sa inyo lahat. Yes, Kicks, kapit.
Ay ikaw,
Yun na lang yung kinanta. Yun na lang yung kinaya.
Ay ikaw, ay ikaw.
I only love you. Thank you so much. Grabe ang mga gifts. Maraming salamat. I only love you. Imagine kumakanta ka ng isang heartbreak song tapos tutunog bigla, no? Diba? Wow! Maraming salamat. Wow, thank you. Kervin. I guess so. Pag-listen, sabi ni Kix. Tapos bigla may tuturok. I only love you. Thank you so much. Hello. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
At sa iyong paglisan.
Hi siya. Hello siya. Magandang gabi. Oo, medyo. Hi siya. Hello, 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 hello. Happy Tuesday. Ay, happy Wednesday, happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday night. Happy midweek. Thank you so much. Heart. Ay, grabe naman po Sharina. Mag-thank you tayo kay siya, Pam. At syempre sa iba natin, Pam. Kay only love you and wow, maraming salamat. Thank you, thank you. Ay, siya, thank you sa pag-bisita. I hope all is well. May magandang version dito, Kix. Oh. Natatawa ako sa iyo yan. Iba talaga pag in love, no? Ay, natatawa na. Di na nagagalit, di na nalulungkot. Ate Lan. Good afternoon, Ate Lan. Pwede, sweetheart, pwede tong team song nyo. Pakinggan mo to. Di ba, Kicks?
Kung
Wait lang. Ulit. Tingnan mo kung mag-a-agree si ano. Hindi ko pala to alam, Kicks. Hindi, actually, yung team song nga nila, kinanta ko kanina yung Nothing's Gonna Change My Love For You. Gusto niyo yun? Two years ang gap nila. 2 years ang gap. Pagdating na lang. Hi siya, maraming salamat, Sir James! Hi, Sir James. Wag daw eh. Kayo si Team Wag. Ang team yung tatlo ay Wag Team. Ay, hindi ko pa. Hindi ko pa yun nabuo. Pero wag daw yan eh, sabi ni Kix eh. Ay, kilala ko to si user 178. Isa lang ang tumatawa ng ganyan eh. Ramdam mo, Kix. Alam nyo, pag nag-sums up ng recap ng Spotify app, number 1 song ko, Multo. I'm sure iba rin sa inyo Multo. Sayang. Meron akong biyahe ng Lucena. Simula Manila to Lucena, yun lang yung nagpe-play na song. Hanggang sa bumalik ako ng Manila, sa biyahe, yun lang din ulit nagpe-play na song. Kaya niyo yun? Ako kaya ko yung ganun. Pag may gusto akong kanta, yun lang yung papakinggan ko. Like the whole day, kaya ko siyang pakinggan. Yun lang yung nagpe-play. Kaya niyo ba yun? Hello sa'yo. $3,900. May bigote tayo ngayon. Bukas ko na lang siya shave to. It's, di ba? Diba? Ay, grabe yung hugot niya. Mark! Hello, bro. Sino kaya ang kinakapitan? Gusto ko yung song. Anong song? Maricel. Ito background music natin. Si Butch din. True. Ishe! Naku! Late na late. Ishe! Anong nangyari? Super late. Saan kaya galing si Ishe? Saan namasyal si Ishe? Ano oras ba yun? Lumabas na sila eh. May pinanood siya. Ano pinanood ni Isha? Kicks, okay na yung ilaw natin, no? Ayos na natin kahit paano. Eh di nanood kayo kanina ng TikTok lock. Kamusta naman yung TikTok lock kanina, Mabis? Hi, Jello. Ate Lan, hello Ate Lan. Hindi, pumasok na si Ate Lan kanina. Pero late din. Ate Lan, bakit ka late? Kapiting din. Kanino sa Shibulong mo nga? Di naman kicks, di naman kami bug. Bawal na ishe. Nilagyan ko na ng control. Pwede nang gawin yun eh. Okay lang yan, ishe. Tayo-tayo na lang dito. Na, 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 na. Denza. A smile in your heart. Smile in your heart tayo. Wait lang. Share break lang tayo mabilis. Alo, alo, alo. Paano na-share ni Ishe?
When I met you.
Good morning! Good morning, Honey! Parang namiss ko si Honey dito. Honey! Happy naman si Honey. Pasok na pasok ang kanyang mga babies. Ready na for the big night.
I had a feeling that you're holding my heart. And I know that it is true. You wouldn't let it be broken apart. 'Cause it's much too dear to you. Forever we'll be together. No one can break us apart. For our love will truly be a wonderful smile in your heart.
RGI na, thank you.
When the night comes and I'm keeping your heart, how I feel so much more secure. You wouldn't let me close my eyes, so I can see you through and through. You're a sweet tender lover, we are so much in love. I'm not afraid when you're far away. Just give me a smile in your heart. You brighten my day, showing me my direction. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more from you, my dear? Baby, just a smile in your heart.
Oo yan.
I'm always dreaming of being in love. But now I know that this is true. Since you came into my life, it's true love that I had found. I pray that you wouldn't leave me, whatever may come along. But if you do, I won't feel so bad. Just give me a smile in your heart. You brighten my day, showing me my direction. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more from you, my dear?
Hi na Maricel. RJ, thank you. Very excited.
You brighten my day, showing me my direction. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more from you, my dear?
Maricel, thank you. RJ, thank you.
Give me a smile in your heart.
Thank you so much, fam. Everything I own. Kaya ko ba ngayon yun? Autumn leaves! Testing lang, testing. Sabit agad. Sabit. Parang naka-3. Ang gaspang ng palseto ko.
You sheltered me from harm, kept me warm, kept me warm. You gave my life to me, set me free, set me free. The finest tears I ever knew. For all the years I had with you, and I would give anything I own. I'd give up my life, my heart, my own. And I would give everything I own just to have you back again. You taught me how to love. What a time, what a time. You never said too much, but still you showed the way. And I knew from watching you, nobody else could ever know the part of me that can't let go. And I would give everything I own. I'd give up my life, my heart, my own. And I would give everything I own just to have you back again. Is there someone you know? You're loving them so, but taking them all for granted. You may lose them one day, someone takes them away, and they don't hear the words you long to say. I would give everything I own. I'd give up my life, my heart, my own. And I would give everything I own just to have you back again. Just to touch you once again.
Wow, thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. Maraming salamat. May, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thanks
Maraming
for
salamat.
watching.
I only love you. Maraming salamat, Ate She. Good afternoon. Tama ba ako? Good afternoon. Hello, Ate She. I only love you. Maraming salamat. Autumn Leaves! Welcome to the stream. Grabe, akala natin dinilit na ni Autumn Leaves yung Kumu niya. Pero siya ay nandito rin nagbabalik. Good afternoon, Ate She. Good afternoon po. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Happy midweek, fam. Bastille. Ninumbang! Hi, May. Wow, thank you.
People say that I'm a fool. Well, I don't know. At least I found out what it takes to be strong. I was dreaming all day long, drifting out. With eyes wide open, I would choose not to see. I still take the Dream 86. No, I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile the sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. Say good morning to the world. I hope you like it. Take good care of all those things that we have. Hey, I've been looking for a way for too long now. Seems like everything must come to an end. No, I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile the sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile the sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me, darling, please.
Hi, teens. Good evening. Thank you, May.
Knowing your ways and loving your ways, but nothing that's true at all.
Hi, Helen.
Coming to terms with stitches and burns and learning to fly again. See you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile the sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. No, I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile the sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me, darling, please.
Hi na, thank you. Is that a comeback? Thank you so much, Ninong Ben. Maraming salamat po. Thank you. Ah, yes, Autumn. Ano na siya? Modern age. Ninong Ben, maraming salamat. Pabella, welcome to the stream. Salt and Pepper, Miss Alex, hello po. 5700, hello po sa inyong lahat. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Ninong Ben, thank you so much. Alam mo, beauty and madness. Autumn, thank you. Parang hindi pa. Dati else. Sorry na agad.
Over there, just beneath the moon, there's a man with a burden to feed, and sleep will fall, wash out the rags and paper bags, homes and lives passing by. Who will see the beauty in your life? Who will be there to hear you when you call? Who will see the madness in your life? And who will be there to catch you if you fall?
Naalala ko yung video ni Paul Salas, yung kinuha niya upuan.
Now dreams run wild as lovers find a way through the night, not a care in the world. And over there, oh, the twinkling of the lights, harbor lights, say goodnight one more time. Who will see the beauty in your life? Who will be there to hear you when you call? Who will see the madness in your life? And who will be there to catch you if you fall?
Kanino kaya na fall? Si Kicks. Mukhang fall na.
Who will see the beauty in your life? And who will be there to hear you when you call? Who will see the madness in your life? And who will be there to catch you if you fall.
Itataas ko kasi sana. Bala ko itaas kasi, Kicks. Kinabahan ako. Okay ba yun? Lalaban ko sana eh. Marcel, thank you. Thank you so much for 5,600. Salamat po. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Ate Elves, Ate She. Welcome to the stream. Sa lahat po na bagong pasok, welcome. Favorite din to ni Sir A. Diba?
Heaven knows I've done no wrong. I only want to sing this song to you. Why did it have to end this way? Only a fool like me could say to you that if I ever had a line to heaven, I swear I'd call you there. If I ever had a line to heaven, I swear I'll be there tonight. Where will I be without you now? Otto, Marty, I know. I have to make it through this life somehow. Only time will tell me so. Marcel, Otto, thank you. All the things I need to know somehow, Jojo. If I ever had a line to heaven, I swear I'd call you there. If I ever had a line to heaven, I swear I'll be there. How do I find the answers of all the questions I've been hiding inside? All the fun and the laughters we shared all have to stand aside.
Hi, Jojo.
If I ever had a line to heaven, I swear I'd call you there. If I ever had a line to heaven, I swear I'll be there. If I ever had a line to heaven, I swear, Jenny, Anna, call you there. If I ever had a line to heaven, I swear I'll be there tonight. fine. Thank you so much, Jenny. Thank you.
Wow! Thank you. Jojo, nung pumasok ka, bigla nagpaulan si Kits. Nakita mo? Huwag pakita siya. Gising pa si Jenny. Nakita ko si Jenny. Wow, thank you.
There are times when I'm lying in my bed, how I bellow and cry from this stupid gate. In my eyes are like windshields on a rainy day, almost wrapped down, swelling as I keep on moving my face in this cold hand of mine. Heaven knows how bitter I am.
Ramdam kita, ate Che.
Just flown away from me, leaving me in drunken misery. I should have clipped her wings and made her mine. This angel has flown away from me. Thought that I had strength to set her free. Did what I did because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me? Oh.
Ate Elves, thank you. Ate She, maraming salamat.
I'm so tired. I feel like catching for the wings, being up all night in this elbow room that puts me in the trance where my hopes and dreams come true. I am empty. Now my lips are burning and my eyes are like windshield for this dreams of make till I light another cigarette just to pass my time. Heaven knows how bitter I am. 'Cause this angel has flown away from me, leaving me in drunken misery. I should have flipped her wings and made her mine for all eternity. Now this angel has flown away from me. Thought that I had strength to set her free. Did what I did because I love her so. Will she ever find her way back home to me? Oh.
Thank you, fam. Ate Elves, Ate She, maraming salamat po. Thank you. Thank you, Jojo. Hi, Trisha. Thank you so much. Wow. Alin? Prinsesa. Sino nagre-guest? June. Prinsesa Ate Smiley. Sige. Gege, 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 gege. Prinsesa ng Tayabas, press 1.
Nakaupo siya sa isang madilim na sulok. Ewan ko ba kung bakit sa libo-libo babaeng nandoon. Wala pang isang minuto, nahulog na ang loob ko sa'yo.
Marcel, ano na, thank you.
Gusto ko sanang marinig ang tinig mo. Umasa na rin na sana'y mahawakan ko ang palad mo. Gusto ko sanang lumapit, kundi lang sa lalaking kayakap mo. Dalhin mo ako sa iyong palasyo. Maglakad tayo sa hardin ng iyong kaharian. Wala man akong pag-aari, pangako ko habang buhay kitang magsisilbihan, o aking prinsesa. Prinsesa, prinsesa, prinsesa.
Wala na yung prinsesa ng Tayabas. Ay na, thank you.
Di ako makatulog, naisip ko ang ning ng iyong mata. Nasa isip kita buong umaga, buong magdamag. Sana'y parati kang tanaw o ang sakit isipin. Ito'y isang panaginip, panaginip lang. Dalhin mo ako sa iyong palasyo. Maglakad tayo sa hardin ng iyong kaharian. Wala man akong pag-aari, pangako kong habang buhay kitang sisilbihan, o aking prinsesa. Prinsesa, prinsesa, prinsesa.
Wala. Ayan na siya. Nanonood siya ng Inko. And nanonood siya ng Twitter.
Dalhin mo ako sa iyong palasyo. Maglakad tayo sa hardin ng iyong kaharian. Wala man akong pag-aari, pangako ko habang buhay kitang magsisilbihan, o aking prinsesa. Prinsesa, prinsesa, prinsesa.
Oh, wow, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Pastil, thank you.
Prinsesa, prinsesa.
Wow, thank you so much. Autumn, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much, fam. Juan Delan. Hello. Eileen. Hi, Eileen. Yes, abot na abot pa. We're about to end in 10 minutes. Che, press 1. Collide. Sige, mag-collide muna tayo tas out of my league. Diyan pa ba si Che? Hi, Eileen. Hello. Hi, Wabi. Ram Jada. Dre.
The dawn is breaking, our light shining through. You're barely waking in a tangle of pain. Yeah. The moment you're close, I'll follow you go. I'll worry, I won't see your face. Light up again, even the best foretell sometimes. Even the wrong words seem to rhyme. And the doubt that fills my mind, somehow find you and I collide. I know, thank you. Marcel, thank you. I'm quiet, you know. You make a first impression. I found no scared to know I'm always on your mind. Even the best foretell sometimes. Even the stars refuse to shine. Out of the back you fall in time. Somehow find you and I collide. Don't stop here. I lost my place. I'm close behind. Bella, thank you. Aina, thank you. Eileen, thank you. Even the best fall down sometimes. Even the wrong words seem to rhyme. Out of the doubt that fills your mind, you finally find you and I collide. Finally find you and I collide.
Oh, Bella, Aina, thank you. Jodo. The one.
You and I collide.
Abby, thank you so much. Hindi. Thank you, Ira.
It's a hair in her eyes today that you simply take me away. And the feeling that I'm falling further in love makes me shiver, but in a good way. All the times I have sat and stared as she thoughtfully thumbs through her hair. And she purses her lips, bats her eyes, and she plays with me, sitting there's like joy and nothing to say. 'Cause I love her with all that I am, and my voice shakes along with my hands. She's all that I see, and she's all that I need, and I'm out of my league once again.
Thank you, fam.
It's a merciful melody when she calls out my name to me. As the world spins around her, she wraps, rolls her eyes, and I feel like I'm falling. But it's no surprise, 'cause I love her with all that I am, and my voice shakes along with my hands. Yes, it's frightening to be swimming in this rainbow sea, but I'd rather be here than on land. Yes, she's all that I see, and she's all that I need, and I'm out of my league once again.
Ina, thank you.
It's her hair and her eyes today that just simply take me away. And the feeling that I'm falling further in love makes me shiver, but in a good way. All the times I have sat and stared as she thoughtfully thumbs through her hair. And she purses her lips, bats her eyes, and she plays with me, sitting there like joy and nothing to say. 'Cause I love her with all that I am, and my voice shakes along with my hands. Yes, it's frightening to be swimming in this strange sea, but I'd rather be here than on land. Yes, she's all that I see, and she's all that I need, and I'm out of my league once again.
Accept what? Honey, welcome back. Thank you so much, fam. RK. Someone has blocked me. Has blocked you. Welcome, Che. Hello po. 5700. Hello po sa inyo lahat. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Kuha lang tayo ng tubig. Someone, thank you. Someone has blocked you. Thank you. Hindi po, nakikibalita lang din. Nakaka-catch up lang, Rans. Nasaan kaya, nandito yung isang Eileen. Nasaan kaya yung isang Eileen? Kamusta na kaya yun? Rock baby rock. Ano yun? Cupcakes. Hindi ko alam, Rans. Ano ba dapat ang ma-feel dyan? Happy? Nag-charge pa kayo? Nag-charge? Ng phone? Yes, meron pa naman. Bakit? 28. One cherry, farming. Hello po, sa lahat ng pagpasok, Ray. Hindi naman. Ano tanong ni May? Ito. Ano yan? Asan? Sa pangamay? Anong meron? Hindi, pero malapit na rin tayo mag-end. Salamat po sa pag-sama. Good morning, Casey. Sino si Casey? Ano si Casey? Pro ba? Pro ba, Tro? Lady Topal. Tro ba yan, Tro? Ay. Hello po, good morning. Ay, oo nga. Hello po, magandang araw. Oo nga, nakita ko. Sorry. Kala ko nagbibiro lang sila. Magandang araw po, Papi Chulo. Sa lahat po ng bagong pasok, welcome to my stream. O, Loco. Paano na natin tatapusin ito? Laban sa antok si Butchie Kick. Good night, Tabis. Pahinga na, masyado ng long day. Tulog mo na yan, bukas ulit. Kaleidoscope World. Uy. P. James. Yes. Ano naman, yan na nagpapagana kay Tabis. Kailanman, dito mga na.
So many faces, so many races, different voices, different choices. Some are mad, while others laugh. Some live alone with no better half. Others reap, while others curse. And others mourn behind a big black hearse. Some are pure and some have breath. Some are soul and some are wasted. Some are rich because of faith. Some are poor with no food on their plate. Some stand out, while others blend. Some are fat and stout, while some are thin. Some are friends, some are foes. Some have some, while some have most. Yeah. Every color, every hue is represented by me and you. Take a slide in the slow. Take a look in the kaleidoscope. Spin around, make it twirl. In this kaleidoscope world. Thank you, fam. Thank you. Some are great, some are few. Others lie while some tell the truth. Some say poems and some do sing. Others sing through their guitar strings. Some know it all, while some act dumb. Let the bass line strum with the bang of the drum. Some can swing, while some will sing. Some will find their minds and think. Others walk, while others run. You can't talk peace and have a gun. Some are hurt, start to cry. Don't ask me how, don't ask me why. Some are friends, some are foes. Some have some, but some have most. Yeah. Every color, every hue is represented by me and you. Take a slide in the slow. Take a look in the kaleidoscope. Spin around, make it twirl. In this kaleidoscope world. Kaleidoscope world. In this kaleidoscope world.
Welcome, someone has blocked you. Hi na, thank you. Butchie pangalan, Butchie. Someone right there. Thank you, someone. Thank you so much, Fab. Salamat po. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Kicks.
Nasaan na siya ngayon? Hinahanap mo, di mo alam lahat ng iyong gagawin. Wala siya sa piling mo. Puso kong ito, inaalay ko sa'yo lamang. Kaya't huwag nang magdaramdam, pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y nakalaan. Kailanman di kita masasaktan, kahit na anong mangyari, tayo ay magmamahalan. At sa pagsapit ng dilim, di mawawalan, pag-ibig ko ay tunay kailanman. Bakit ba ganito? Kung sino pa ang iniibig mo, yung bang naloko sa'yo, di na yata tama ito. Di magtatanong kung ako ang pipiliin mo, ang ako'y di mabibito, o ay iyo. At walang tingin. Kailanman kitang masasaktan, kahit na anong mangyari, tayo ay magmamahalan. At sa pagsapit ng dilim, di mawawalay, pag-ibig ko ay tunay kailanman. Kailanman, kailanman di kitang masasaktan, kahit na anong mangyari, tayo ay magmamahalan. At sa pagsapit ng dilim, di mawawalay, pag-ibig ko ay tunay kailanman. Kahit na anong mangyari, tayo ay magmamahalan. At sa pagsapit ng dilim, di mawawalay, pag-ibig ko ay tunay kailanman.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much, Fab. Aina, thank you. It's a wrap. Eme. Let's call it a day. It's a wrap. And it's a wrap. Thank you so much, pa. Maraming salamat sa mga muling nagbabalik, muling nag-stay dito sa stream ko. Thank you so much, fam. Ninong Ben, Autumn. Thank you so much. Ayoko yan, Butch. Ayoko yan. Prince J. Wow, thank you so much. Andiyan pa ba si Wow? Wow, thank you. Ayoko yan, Butchie. Pastil. Thank you. Argelan. Morms. Hindi ko din alam. Alam mo yan ang kailangan nating malaman sa mga panahon to. Ilan na nga ba? Grabe yun! Wow, thank you so much. Wow. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, wow. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. At alam ni someone. Grabe na si someone. Mondragon. Wow! Thank you, wow. Thank you so much. Thank you, fam. Maraming salamat. Wow, thank you. Thank you so much, wow. Thank you, thank you.
Humingang malalim, pumikit na muna, at baka sakaling namamaligmata lang. Ba't nababahala? Di ba't ako'y mag-isa? Kala ko'y payapa, boses mo'y tumatawag pa. Binaon naman na ang lahat, tinakpan naman na aking suka. Ngunit ba't ba andito pa rin? Hirap na kong intindihin. Tanging panalangin, lubayan na sana. Tayong bawat tingin, mukha mo'y nakikita. Kahit saan man mapunta ay anino mo'y kumakapit sa'king kamay. Ako ay dahan-dahan, nililibing ng buhay pa. Hindi na makalaya, dinadalaw mo ko bawat gabi. Wala mang nakikita, haplos mo'y ramdam pa rin sa dilim. Hindi na nanaginip, hindi na makagising. Pasindi na ng ilaw, minumulton ako ng damdamin ko. Hindi mo ba ako lilisanin? Hindi pa ba sapat pagpapahirap sa'kin? Hindi na ba mamaya pa? Hindi na makalaya, dinadalaw mo ko bawat gabi. Wala mang nakikita, haplos mo'y pa rin sa dilim. Hindi na nanaginip, hindi na makagising, pasindi na nangilaw, minumulto na ako ng damdamin ko. Hindi mo ba ako lilisanin? Wala mang nakikita, haplos mo'y ramdam pa rin sa dilim. Hindi na nanaginip, hindi na makagising, pasindi.
Emote na emote naman siya. Ay, gusto ko manood ng concert nila. Pikit na pikit ang pikit. Pero gusto ko makanood ng concert nila, seryoso. Yung makakapagpa-picture ako. Totoo. Sobra. Topper. Ate Elves. Hi, Zat! Abot na pa niya, Zat. May iniisip kasi ako, syempre, pag kinakanta ko yung multo. Abot pa rin si AJ sa Your Love. Hi, Donna! Maraming salamat sa pagsama. Thank you so much.
You're the one that never lets me sleep. To my mind, down to my soul, you touch my lips. You're the one that I can't wait to see. You here by my side, I'm in ecstasy. I am all alone without you. I know days are tough without a glimpse of you. Flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see autumn. Your love is like the sun, the lights of my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. Pastor Marcel, thank you. Your love is like the river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside.
Hi, Ricky. Puirinix. Abot na abot, Puirinix. Mark Joseph. Hello, Ricky. Hello po sa lahat ng bagong paso. Ray. Thank you so much, fam.
Every time I hear our music play, reminds me of the things that we've been through. In my mind, I can't believe it's true, but in my heart, the reality is you. I am all alone without you.
Wow! Thank you, RG.
Days are dark without a glimpse of you. Now that you came into my life, I feel complete. The flowers bloom, the morning shines, and I can see. Your love is like the sun, the lights of my whole world. I feel the warmth inside. is like a river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside.
Thank you so much, fam. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much, Sir A. Magala. Jenny. Autumn. Welcome back. Kicks. Pastil ni Ayi. Marisol. Marge. May. Someone has blocked you. Kilala ko to si Someone has blocked you. Thank you so much po. Aina, thank you. Ate Lan. Thank you. Dayan Abby. Sha. Wala na yata si Sha dito. Sha, thank you. Ate She. Ate Elves, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. Super Twins. I only love you, thank you so much. Kung sino man to, I only love you, thank you so much. Ninong Ben, maraming salamat po and welcome back. Thank you. Of course, wow, maraming salamat. Diyan ka pa ba? Alam ko nandiyan ka pa. Thank you so much.
Your love is like a sun, the lights of my whole world. Your love is like a river that flows down through my veins. I feel the chill inside.
Witty Nix! Yung Starship launch. Ayo! May Valda Berta! Maraming salamat, Witty Nix. Para daw yung sa pasabit. Yes. Thank you so much, fam. Good night. I love you all. God bless you all. Salamat po. Hindi, okay lang yan, Witty Nix. Sanay kami dyan. Thank you so much. Hello and goodbye. Dapat may love. Hello, love. Goodbye. Ayoko ng goodbye. Hello, love lang tayo. Hello, love. Hello, love. Good night. Yeah.